credits, as these can significantly reduce the amount of tax you owe or increase your refund. After entering all your data, it's crucial to thoroughly review your entire tax return for any potential errors or omissions. TurboTax has built-in features that help identify areas where you might have missed deductions or credits, optimizing your return. Take your time to ensure all the information entered perfectly matches your official tax documents before moving forward. Finally, once you are confident everything is accurate, you can electronically file your tax return directly with the Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA. TurboTax makes this process seamless and secure. After filing, you will receive a confirmation number, which is important to keep for your records. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.